So guys, what's up? Today I got banned to my old account, but this is our old one. But the other new one, that was my 20th anniversary ban because of one exploit, and I got one exploit ban, and I got 19 violation ban. Bruh. They were going to play create a card ride. I tried to post another video of me signing up to see my new account. You can log in on it, but it failed. It take me so many times to log in. It's okay now, but you know what happened? The verification, bro. 10 plus. That's why I'm eating a cake right now. Full cereal. Not the camera. Oh yeah, I forgot. What happening? Wait, what? I happened my camera. You'll be amazed when I show. And by the way, this is my cards. Wait, let me lower the volume. This is my card first. It is the biplane, the long track, the long cart, and the motorcycle and the map. I have the map. I have a friend that have a map too. Many cards. I'm going to equip the biplane later. This will be hard because it has string. Wait, let me eat. Dog. I lose it. I'm eating a cake right now. It's so good. This was my favorite cake when I was a kid. But it's gonna be bigger. Told you. Oh, this is my water. Wait, guys, I'm going to drink my water. Thank you. Oh, why did I say thank you? Thank you. What? Oh, why? That's bad. That's not beef, that's bad. Oh no, the cold. It freezes my feet. It's so hard. Fudge. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this game, but I don't want to play this game. It's so boring and hard. I gotta say, I'm honest right now. Yeah. The food was yummy. Yeah. Bro, imagine you're teleporting to a Roblox game that the last game that you played. I want to play the game that the last played was long. It was forgot. Combat Warriors, but no. No. I didn't meant that. I didn't meant that. So guys, no. I will give them a free shout out. So guys, shout out to Blueberry, shout out to Poggy, and with this shout out to Denu, and where's this? Shout out to Roger and Tree, and I'm super shy. Shout out to, and shout out to Blue. Oh wait, I shout out this, and I shout out to Noob. Shout out to Stop Running. Shout out to Zibizo. That's a kid. And shout out to Rais. And shout out to I'm Raz. And shout out to okay. Oh wait. No, go. If you want to friend them, I will friend them all, and if you want to friend them, this is their account and their avatar. No, not the acid rain. Well, one of my colleagues is now working. Wait, bro, why don't they say that? That's a bad word in Philippines. It's mean hell. So I will say that. Hey, don't swear because kids are watching my videos. No. The fastest way to not die, is go to the water. Yeah, you know what I say? Button. The button. Oh, the button. Yeah. Where's the freaking button? Yeah, there you go. Let's go. After that, I'm going to eat my cake. My cake is yummy. I said that. Yeah. I'm doing a video for my channel. What was it? So I said, subscribe to me, pray. Pray. You know, pray means in English, it means brother. It means brother or bro. I said, you have a channel, so I can subscribe him. I said, okay. Well, he don't have a channel, so sorry. No. Oh, it's a meter shower. Nah, bro. Chitas! My cat is climbing again the TV. Climbing on the TV again. I have a runny nose and I have a cough. Oh. Bro, Nick is so lucky. Nicky. I have I have many accounts on TikTok. Wait, go. I said I will get my phone. Yeah. Yo. This is my account, bro. I just wiped all my data on my phone. I have 2 different Roblox. No, not the move bar. Why the hell this keeps spawning? E96. Wait guys, I'm telling someone. Wait, I forgot.
For breakfast, so
896. 896. Wala. Here's the brush. Oh no. My mom is putting some water on my dogs. Anong tawag niyo dyan?
My sister.
Ha?
My sister.
Oh! Where did it go? Bro. I know this MF. I know this MF. It's a BTS fan, bro. How dare you, bro? Epal, wala mo dugal epal. Susuntong kita eh. Epalin ko mukha mo. Wow. Epal lang. Ay, sorry guys, sorry. This content is for 18 plus kids and for kids too. Oh, sorry about that. I was drinking water. I'm going to eat a whole ass chicken. Yeah. That's so lovely. Wait guys, look at that. Okay. When I finish my cake, I gotta say goodbye now. What the? What on parcel? What's the parcel? What's the parcel? So guys, I gotta go bye. And if you want to friend 11863, you can friend him. If you don't want, it's your choice. If you want or not. Man, the sandstorm, bro. You gotta just gotta avoid the things here. Kinda know the difference about the snow and sandstorm. Sandstorm can get into your eye. You can get blind, and in snow you can get a a hand this to you. I forgot. So bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you forget, I will find your house and I will clap you.